Oh man, I am thirsty! What do we got? We got milk. We got soda. We got purple stuff. What? We got Sunny D! Woo! I'm so excited. I'm gonna use this Sunny D to make Sunny D whipped sweet potatoes. Let's make it. I need a pot. I've chopped up 3 sweet potatoes. Then we need about 2 2/3 cup of Sunny D. I'm gonna cover it and bring it to a boil. I'll be cooking that for about 35 minutes. Sunny D started in the summer of '63. A couple of dads were hanging out in an orange grove. They looked at the oranges and they thought, this is good, but we can do better. And with a firm handshake, they created Sunny D. Sunny D, it's a party, Sunny D. In my mouth. It's all cooked, so I'm gonna drain it. Add it to a large bowl. Add a 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon ginger, 1/4 teaspoon salt, a little splash of Sunny D, 2 tablespoons of margarine or butter. Mash it all together. And here you have it. Sunny D, sweet potato, mashed potatoes. It has a great tang. Thanks, Sunny D. I just farted in my wallet. Now I have gas money.